Be So Fine yarn is 100% bamboo and fingering weight. This lustrous and silky soft yarn gets even drapier and silkier after hand washing in your favorite delicate wash. The colors are bright, saturated, and inspired by tropical flowers and the sea. Be So Fine yarn is available in center pull balls, and it includes a drawstring organza storage bag and a pod of Wrapture all-natural delicate wash. Each 4 ounces includes 650 yards of Be So Fine yarn. Browse the massive library of patterns for Be So Fine yarn. We have one hank lace shawls, sized garments, layering pieces like vests, scarves, hair accessories, jewelry, home dec, and so much more. The Kristin Omdahl brand is always mindful of people in need. A portion of every sale of Be So Fine yarn supports Project Kristin Cares, our charity that helps survivors of domestic violence. The family of Kristin Omdahl Yarns is 100% thoughtfully sourced and 100% gorgeous. Learn more about each yarn at KristinOmdahl.com.